Hello, so my name is Bryce Tubbs. So today's video is going to be talking about, if you want to end confusion, I recommend you watch this video all the way to the end. So, for me, when I was first starting my, the online portion of my coaching slash marketing firm, once I started going online, it was like, okay, so how do I get in front of enough people to actually make this thing work? Where are my ideal clients? And then once I get in front of those ideal clients, it's like, how do you talk to them in a way that causes them to reach out to you? Now, a lot of people watching this video, might be in that same situation. Maybe you've already figured it out. I know for me, it took me at least a year and a half to really be able to dial in, understand exactly what my market wanted, because it was different than what I initially thought. Okay? But the confusion started to end once I figured out what people wanted and how to be able to get in front of them long enough to, consistently show that I am the person to help them get what they want. Now, that's what I teach my clients how to do. The only difference is, since I've done it for myself, I can give it to my clients in a step-by-step manner that allows them to do it in a much shorter time period than what it took me. Okay, so the best way for you to be able to end that confusion is for you to go check out my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, we give you everything that you need to start moving towards the life and the business that you deserve. I mean, for me, I started a business because, just seeing around the people in my community who are like, in their early 30s, have back pain just from working some stupid jobs like to stand up all day. Maybe a lot of them are like registered nurses. They injure their rotator cuffs, their shoulders, and they have to take a break from work because it's so manual. I'm like, no, we don't want to do that. Instead, what we want to do is we want to be able to work from any location in the world, right? If I didn't want to leave my house, I didn't have to. If I didn't want to go commute to work or drive to my office, I don't have to. And that's why I started my business, and that's why, I like to help other people who don't really understand what it takes to be successful. If that's you, I recommend you go check out that the link in the description below to the group. Have a great day. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this information with someone else who can benefit from the knowledge. Have a great day, see you later, and take it easy.